going on YouTube? Weird intro. I gotta get better at that. Today, fan appreciation packs are out, and free golden ticket also. It's gonna be a really good day. I'm just gonna do a fan appreciation pack opening. I mean, I got, sadly, I got some PlayStation cards laying around. Oh no, it's not money spent, dude. It's a PlayStation gift card I got for my birthday that I've been saving. Um, yeah, changes I made to the team. I got rid of Taylor Mays. I got Eric Berry. I feel like Eric Berry is a stud. He has a high overall, which will help the team. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get right into the pack opening. Oh, and for my free golden ticket, I'm picking Josh Allen. Mostly because I'm a Bills fan. Alright, here we go. First one. Let's go golden ticket or bust. Don't be a big card. Okay, that's not a big card. That's not it either. That's not it. No. I mean, that's good for training. I mean, in case like the power up expansion comes out and there's like a right tackle, I want to say. Yeah, if there's a right tackle, I'll definitely quick sell that. Ooh. Okay, I mean, I know that this Redux doesn't go for anything, dude, because he's slow as hell. 91 speed? I don't know about that. Alright, well, we got 3 more to open. Still no golden ticket. Another Redux. Oh, 98 Devin Hester. Let's go. I actually kind of wanted Devin Hester. That's actually really nice. Let's go. I'll take that. I'll take that. He might go onto my team, honestly. He might replace, what's his face? Marquise Brown. Alright. Now that we got the coin, let's go. One more. Ooh, this could be a 96. Okay. No, don't be our high card. Oh! Actually, I might use Darnell Savage. I might use him. I think I might get rid of Sean Taylor and use him. Huh. Okay, I mean... we didn't get any, huge pulls. Sadly, no golden tickets again. That sucks. I mean, I think I have one more gift card on me. Hold up. Yeah, I do. Alright, last one. Come on. Golden ticket. Come on. Julio. No! Don't be our high card. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow. Wow. That's unbelievable, man. Well, let's recap what we bought here. I mean, what we got. There's really nothing to recap. Man, that was not too good. Let's see how much I get for all this quick sell training, though. Just in case. You know, you always want to do that. $269,000. Wow. All right. Well, let's see how much all these go for. So, Devin Hester. Let's see how much he goes for. 65K. See, but I don't know. I might keep him. Depends on what his catching stat is. 85 catching? That's a yikes. Hold on, let me compare him to wow! Marquise Brown's actually like way better. That's not correct grammar. Is it way better? I think so. Alright. And I know this is not gonna go for anything because this card is just yeah. 91 speed and receiver. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the training for that. No. Dominican Sue. This is interesting. 23k. I'll take a 23k pull. That's fine. Well, kind of disappointing, but you know, I did get Darnell Savage. I kind of wanted Darnell Savage for a while. I didn't want to buy him because I knew these packs were coming out, and these fly out of the packs like no tomorrow. Hopefully, this man gets a power up soon. Yeah. Once he gets a power up, this would be probably the best free safety in the game. He'll get 99 speed with sprinter, like 97 zone with lockdown, 98 hit power, 98 pursuit. Like all the stats go up by 1, which is crazy. Well, yeah, I guess that about do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to upload every other day, so probably the next upload will come on Sunday. Yeah, I mean that's all I have. See you guys in the next one. Peace.